Hello everybody, today I am making Hollandaise sauce for Eggs Benedict. I am making my Eggs Benedict today with scallops. You can replace scallops if you don't like scallops with crab or shrimp. So let's get started. What you will need is for your sauce is 4 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of brown spicy mustard, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon, half a cup of butter, 1/4 of a cup of water, and you're going to need 2 of those, and then half of lemon squeezed. Okay, I'm also making our biscuits from scratch. If you want to see that video, hit the like button and you will be notified once that video is up. We're also going to be needing some scallions, and we're also going to be poaching our eggs. 2 cups of water, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar to poach our eggs. So now we're going to get ready to transfer all our ingredients for our sauce, and we need to add our butter cold to our blender, and then add all your ingredients, and then also add the 1/4 of a cup of water at this moment. The other 1/4 of a cup, you're just going to leave it aside and you will use it later on. So let's go ahead and just transfer everything. And then we're going to use the pulse button on our blender. We want to achieve a chunky texture, and you're going to understand why now when we start cooking our sauce. Okay, so we are ready to blend our mix, and we are going to press that pulse button. We want that sauce to be chunky. This is how your sauce should look in your blender. And the reason being, this is going to help for your sauce to be nice and have a firm consistency, not a runny sauce. Now, however, a lot of people, depends on your taste. They like it runny or they like it thick. The good thing about this is that you can pretty much work your sauce to make it thicker by adding cornstarch, or by making it thin by adding more water and butter. So as you can see, my sauce right now is going to be set in a very low temperature in the stove, and while we prepare our scallops. Okay, at this moment we are prepping our pan with some butter so we can go ahead and cook our scallops. And at this time I'm also going to be adding our 2 teaspoons of white vinegar into our water, and we want to make sure we get it ready so it can start boiling, so we can get ready to poach our eggs. Those are the final steps for the recipe. Okay, so now that we already have our scallops prepped, they're salted and peppered, and they are ready to be transferred to our pan to get cooked. We are going to be cooking them for about 2 minutes each side to get that nice golden brown on the top. We don't want to overcook them because then they become chewy. Okay, so our sauce is almost ready. It has been on the stove for about 8 minutes on a very low temperature. We are going to stir our sauce, and we are going to go ahead and just put it aside for now. And we're going to go ahead and head over here to poach our eggs, because once we have poached our eggs, we're going to put our Hollandaise sauce one more time in the stove for another 30 seconds, stir, and we are ready to plate. And we are plating. As you can see, our biscuit, our poached egg. Then we're going to go ahead and add some sauce and our scallops, and of course our other ingredients. As far as for garnishing, we're doing our green onions, and we're also doing some cayenne pepper, and of course bacon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more videos that are coming. If you would like to see the biscuits recipe, let me know in the comments, or like this page as well. A video will be coming soon. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy.